map fans. I was asked recently how we can export data from Arcmap into Excel, which is quite a common thing to do. Now, the ordinary way to do it would be to export an attribute table to a DBF or to a text file, and then you'd have to save it to an XLS. I'm going to show you a quicker way, much easier. What we're going to do here, I've got Arcmap open and I have a data source. It's just a bunch of points, and if I right click on our layer, open attribute table, here we can see all of our data points. And what I'm going to do next is select all, and you'll see them selected in the background there as well. And then if I right click on this grey bar over to the left and copy selected, and then go to Excel, I have a blank workbook here. I'm just going to Control V. Look at that. We've got all the data in there immediately. Now I'm just going to delete you to show you one of the quirks which foxed me for a while. So I'll just delete that. I'm going to copy these again just to make sure that they're in my clipboard. And one thing that you absolutely have to make sure of is that your attribute table is still open. So I've copied these onto my clipboard. If I now close out of this and then go back into Excel and try and copy and paste, all I get are the field headings. Don't actually get any data. So do just make sure that you have your attribute table open when you're copying and pasting this way. And it is an awful lot quicker than doing anything else. One question that I also get frequently asked is, where are the XY coordinates for my data? So you can see here that we've got FID, shape, monitor, site, LFASTA, LFPL, but we don't actually have the XY coordinates of where these points are, and that's something that you might want to have for any reason. So I'm just going to close out the attribute table, deselect everything, and then open up our toolbox. That might take a little while to open, which it is doing, and Arcmap is not responding. There we go, got it open. I'm also going to open up the search bar because I want to search for this tool. So I'm just going to go add XY. Oh, put in the XX. Jamie would be proud. Add XY coordinates. There's the tool that we want, and it is in data management, features, add XY coordinates. So we could find it through our toolbox if we wanted. I'm just going to click on this to open it up nice and quick. We are going to be asked for our input features. We've only got one layer in our map, so that'll be our input features. If I hit OK, boom, that was done very quickly. And if I right click on this again, open the attribute table, there we go. We have point X and point Y. So you'll notice that these coordinates are in meters. That's because this particular layer is in UTM 16 North, I do believe. WGS 84 UTM 16 North. That's the projection or the CRS that we're using. So whatever CRS your layer is in, that's what your point X and point Y will be in. If you needed these in decimal degrees, you could project it over to WGS 84 or something like that, and then do the same steps again. So just to show you again, run through it one more time. We're going to select all. We are going to right click and copy selected, and then into Excel I'm just going to paste over these, Control V, and then we have our point X and point Y. So that's all for today. If you do have any questions, any short tips that you'd like to know about in ArcGIS, QGIS, ArcGIS Pro, anything like that, get in touch via the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, we're on a drive at the moment for subscribers. I really want to get to 100 subscribers because, well, I just do. Anyway, do share the video, and thanks a lot for watching. Take care and happy mapping.